We at Lowe's for the first stop. Gathering the stuff I need to make the Bandit sign. Enjoy this shopping journey, trying to find what I need because I don't even know where to look. To be honest, the product I need.
Oh, the signs?
No, to make the sign, the stuff, the tube. But no. But the property. Bandit sign material, 2-inch PVC pipe, 2 shielded coupling, 1 to 2 inches, 3/4 clamps, saddle threshold. Do you know any of those? It's gonna be interesting. So
Yes,
come on the journey. Let's do this.
Your love, it bring me peace. I love my family. Your love, it bring me peace. I love my family. Your love, it bring me peace. I love my family. Your love, it bring me peace.
Alright guys, so we are in Home Depot and Papa is trying to find what are we looking for now?
Shielding coupling.
Shielding coupling. 2 inch. And we just got some pipe. 2-inch pipe.
Hey guys, so we are in BJ's. We got,
Not in BJ's.
I mean, Home Depot. We got some of the stuff, the pipe, the clamps, the, I don't know, hammer, face mask. So now we're looking threshold door. Go down this way.
Right here?
Yeah. So I think we can pick any one of those. And then from there we go home and we'll see how we make it. I watched a couple of videos. It shouldn't take long, pretty easy. I hope I picked the right one. And shall see the final product. But yeah. $5. Wouldn't make sense.
Lot associate needed in the garden center, please. Lot associate to the garden center.
Sorry about the mess. So I got 2 PVC pipe, 1 2-inch clamps, a couple clamps. I got 3 of them because in one of the videos that I watched, it required that I get 3. Some staplers, no, some stapler, the drill. I think I only need 1, and the shield, and the thing. You want to say hi to the camera?
Who, me?
Yeah.
What's that? Hey y'all.
So I'm building a Bandit sign stapler because we are slowly getting to real estate, and that's one of the most ineffective and cheaper way to market apparently. So we're just gonna try it out. So we just went and got a couple tools to make a homemade Bandit sign. So here it goes. I got like a connector to make it longer because they had one that was longer, but I think it was about 12 feet long and it was not going to be able to fit in the car. So then I found those 2 inches. It cost me more, but it worked because I got 2 and I got like a connector. So do it this way. It gave me a 4-inch stapler, and I'm actually 6 feet tall. So when I extend it, it will give you a 10-foot pole to allow the sign to stay up longer. And once I connect this to, I think the clamps come together next. So I got it right way, yep. Put it in this way. That is dope. My Bandit sign is being made. Yep. Right on, brother. Nice, right on tight. Now, next step will be to put a threshold. Houston, we got a problem. We're going to disconnect.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Now we will attend it to now. Then second one, close it, connect properly. Cool. So we're gonna tie it up. Thank you for your service. Okay. Whoops. Oh, that's good. All right. And buddy, you can come here. You are set. All right. Just let's see if there's an easier way to do this. In most of the videos, they've recommended the Delwatt stapler, saying it was reliable whatsoever. So that's what we got. It was about $30 some, but I think it'd be worth the investment. So the reason why we're doing the Bandit sign is we are starting to get into real estate, and a great way to market is through Bandit sign. You know, so as I was thinking of that too, I was thinking that it would be a great way to market for our tax business as well. You know, which will be, tax season will be around the corner, and it's about that time we start to get ready, take the updated tax courses and the necessary work, get the necessary work done to get ready for tax season. But anyhow, I did not load it with any stapler because it's another video I may need to watch. But here's the final product, which was quick and easy to make, homemade. Most people sell it for like $150, but we just made it at home. Got two tubes, a connector, the clamps, the threshold, the what's called 2-inch clamps, and the staple, and the stapler and the staple. All I needed was, I just had a drill, and I have some, you know, tools, equipment around the house that I use. So that's done now. I ordered some on sign, so when it will be coming, we just go and get out there and do a test shot. We bring guys along the ride, but it definitely works. I was a little skeptical at first to do like a homemade. I was gonna go ahead and pay the money, but someone told me to do it, and it was a fun project. Some people may benefit, but here's the final project. that's done. So that can be a tool that we own, you know, use that as a marketing tool for B Square Financial Group, promoting our business in our community. We see a lot of those signs. So I think it was a great investment, you know, that can be useful in both real estate and in accounting and finance. So here's the final product. We're just going to head to Target and Home Depot to get a couple tools for our next project. So come along on the ride, and we'll see you shortly back here after we did our run around. See ya. All right, mother, I am ready. When you're ready, our Bandit sounds done. That baby looking beautiful. She's ready to work, mama.
Okay, baby.
She said, where's the electric pole?